This is technical analysis for the major U.S. stock indices for Sunday, May 28th. This is a Memorial weekend going into that Monday. And this is a Silver Surfer from lifestyletrading101.com. And the charts on a daily time chart looks like this. We have the basic AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, wave 2, and we're in the middle of a third wave up. We look at our previous post from Thursday, and at that time we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, and what it looks like now is we got that one. We could look at this. Zoomed in a bit more. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that 7th was really from Friday, and this 8th one is really from Sunday night, the future session. And we could look at that here so far. It opened around this area, went up, went back down, made a slightly new low, but just rebounded, and it looks like it's coiling up. So at that time, we summarized some of our buy alert here to members in our WhatsApp group. Sold half here, sold the other half here, and was expecting the possibility of a pullback to just below the 2404 region. And it turns out, if we look at this S&P 500 chart, zooming out, so here's what we got instead. So in this area on May 26th, I was expecting a pullback to 2404. We didn't get that. We got only the 2408. And if you look, zooming in, that 2408 happened at 8 a.m. So that was not even during market hours. During market hours, it just stayed here the whole day. And if it's staying high for such a long period of time and continues Sunday night into Memorial weekend, chances are this is going to coil up and push up a little bit higher before a potential pullback. So again, this is what we were looking for. Instead, it only got up to here, and it looks like even though we have a 5-wave diagonal here, we may be able to break over this high. Likewise, in the Russell, I was looking for a pullback to 1373-ish, say, and what we ended up getting instead was this pullback to, we actually did get that 1370. Yes, 1374. Not quite as much as I wanted, but so it was. And the thing is, right here, let's say, we had this, here it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This potential big wave 1, and possibly a wave 2 down into this region. And that wave 2 was consisting of an A down here to 1378, a B, and then overnight 1 followed by 2, and then 3, and then at the open we got that kind of 4, 5, and then a rebound. So that 5, this was the 4, and this was the 5. So this is zoomed in on a 5-minute now. And if you look carefully here, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this 5th is also truncated in the same way that this big drop on May 18th was truncated. So if this is truncated and this was truncated, this could have more bullish implications. So meanwhile, the NASDAQ has been on a tear, and it just doesn't pull back. And here we have, it tried to pull back just before the market opened on Friday, but it just pulled back up and consolidated. So my expectation is probably a small rally overnight into Monday. Probably not much action. Probably just consolidation all Monday. And then from there, we'll see what happens. Yeah, but not too much to add. Basically, we are likely going to hit new highs in the NASDAQ. S&P 500 has a chance towards 2420. Russell looks like it's setting up for a bullish move. So this market again is not something to be shorting. I know a lot of people are trying to short this thing. And the thing is, the big clue was that truncated fifth wave in all indices. That was a big clue to not short this. And from a daily perspective, even though we were potentially looking for a bigger fourth wave down below 2300, it looks like the market instead wants to do a wave 2 1-day drop and then followed by many multiple green candles to the upside. So that's it for today's update. If you're not on our list, make sure you sign up for our list here on our homepage. Enter your email address right there. And for trade alerts in our WhatsApp private broadcast group, that's for members only, and so make sure you sign up there. That's it for now. See you guys next time.